As a hobby, many people buy indoor plants NYC and take care of them until they grow to be really big and healthy. Of course, an indoor plant would need more attention than an outdoor plant because the latter can actually take care of itself better than the former. So if one would want to own a plant in his own home, then here are some ways to be able to take care of it. Of course, the primary thing that any plant would be needing is sunlight, because it is through sunlight that they would be able to grow properly. One that stays inside the house will not get as much sunlight as the one that stays outside, which means that one has to put his plant in a place where sunlight can shine. Good places would be near a window or probably on a balcony. Of course, everyone knows that water is also extremely important to the life of a little plant. Now, when watering one, it is very important to remember to give it just the right amount. Also, one should make sure that the pot that is holding it has a hole at the bottom so that any extra water may flow out. Now, one of the things that would prevent a plant from growing healthily would be some insects or pests. The thing about insects and plants is that they tend to chomp on the stem or leaves of the plant until it will become bare. Because of this reason, it is actually essential that one would have to use some bug spray on some of his plants if one does not want to tamper with pesticides or insecticides, because this may be harmful. One alternative to using the commercial insecticides would be to use natural mixes in order to kill those pesky insects. A good mix is the garlic and oil mix, which makes use of some oil and a little bit of garlic juice, which can actually kill a lot of insects. Aside from insects, one must also watch out for mildew or other kinds of fungi that may grow around the soil. Not only is mildew very harmful to the plant, but it is also very harmful to the people around it as well. In order to kill mildew, make a mix that is made of water, dishwashing soap, and baking soda and spray that mix onto the affected areas. Although this may seem unbelievable, one way to keep the plant strong would be to talk to it regularly. According to science, this is true because when one talks, he exhales carbon dioxide. Naturally, plants breathe in carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, which means that the carbon dioxide that the people exhale would be consumed by the plant. So basically, those are some tips on how to take care of indoor plants NYC. If one is fond of these things, then he will enjoy taking care of them and watching them grow and become more beautiful. One can have different types that he can play around with.